This video shows how to create a simple IEC 61131 program in PLCnext Engineer. Open your project and create a new program by right-clicking on the local programs folder. Open the program by double-clicking. Select the IEC 61131 language for the first program worksheet. Create some program variables. Port variables can be connected to physical inputs and outputs. Write code to implement the required function. Create a new PLC task. Each task can be assigned to run on one of two independent execution and synchronization managers. Drop the program into the task. This creates one new instance of that program. Now connect the port variables from the program instance to ports on physical I/O modules. To download the project to the controller, switch to the PLC cockpit. This function can also be selected by right-clicking on the controller.